The system isn't broken. It's been designed like this. It has been designed to keep you spinning on the hamster wheel over and over again, thinking that just by working harder or getting more of the things that you would somehow be happy. But it didn't actually create happiness, did it? No, you're here watching this because you have felt empty inside. And nothing that you have taken or purchased has helped to fill that void. But that's okay, because you're waking up. That pain is a portal to a greater version of yourself. It is actually the path forward. Because the path forward is not out there. It's not some gimmick or some solution, something that you're going to buy to feel better. The path is inside. The pain is going to help you to find out who you really truly came here to be. Because you came here to be a leader, to awaken, to remember. You've always sensed that there's something a little bit strange about this place. And now it's time to truly tap into that knowing. It's time to get in connection with who you were before they taught you how to forget. Give me 30 days, and I will help you to massively transform. Clear the emotional backlog, clear the mental noise, release the limiting beliefs, get rid of the old idea of who you were so that you can start to open up to the most authentic version of yourself. This is not healing just to get by. It's not just about coping. It's not just about managing stress and anxiety and sadness and depression. No, this is about becoming who you truly came here to be. Because this earth is transforming faster than we could possibly imagine. And if you're like me, you're ready to take that energy, ride that wave, and build something meaningful. You're here to be a part of that transformation. So if you're ready to wake up, to take that red pill, well, take my hand and let's see how far that rabbit hole goes.